Okay guys, so we're gonna do a video about a rainy day, so let's get right into it. Right, is it raining? Is it raining? Check the water, guys. Oh, it's definitely raining, bro. It's so raining. Yeah, guys, when you don't know what rain is, rain is just water falling from the sky. Yeah, that's rain. It's water falling from the sky. It's like snow to you guys. It's actually rain. It's actually rain. Look at this. This is crazy weather. It just started raining. It just started raining 5 minutes ago. Yeah, it just started raining 5 minutes ago, and the water's squeaking out. Water's squeaking. The water is literally squeaking. The water is literally squeaking. Look at the water. That's crazy. Water's squeaking. Oh my God. Okay. Oh my God. Water's squeaking. When these clothes were out there, those clothes were literally become a soaked cricket. And now it didn't become a trick chicken. So it didn't become a trick cricket. Now it's getting better, so I will come back when the rain stops. So it stopped a little bit. At least it stopped a little bit. The water's not squeaking now. At least the water is not squeaking, but there's literally a pipe over there. Look at that, there's literally a pipe over there. So just like, look at that, there's a pipe right there. There's literally a pipe over there. And the pipe up there is like leaking water like a lot. So like, okay, so rain is kind of, it's really not squeaking. And I can already stopped. But it still has to sound. So far, it still has to sound. I know it still has to sound, look at this. But I think it's not raining. Let me check. Yeah, it's definitely not raining. It's not even raining. I think it's not raining. Here, look at that. That's the water. It's not raining. Yeah, it's not raining at all. Bro, there's literally a guy right there walking in the rain. It's not even raining. So far, it's not even raining. It's not. But do you still remember the video I made a long time ago? No. No, guys. So comment below. Yeah. So guys, comment below. Yeah, guys. So just comment below. How much like this video gonna get? But please let me get 500 views on this video right here. 500 views on this video right here. Please, 500 views on this video right here. So now like and subscribe. So goodbye.